Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Teddy, and I'm here to help you improve your English speaking and learning skills. Today, we're going to do something a little different and fun. I'm going to show you what's in my school tiffin. Not only will we explore some delicious food, but we'll also learn some new vocabulary and phrases related to food and daily routines. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's learn a useful phrase. When we want to know what someone has brought for lunch, we can ask, "What's in your tiffin?" Let's say it together. What's in your tiffin? Great. Now, let's see what's in my tiffin today. Here we have some fresh fruit. I've got an apple and a banana. Fruits are a great way to start your meal. The apple is crunchy and sweet. Can you say crunchy and sweet? Very good. And the banana is soft and creamy. Repeat after me. Soft and creamy. Excellent. Next, we have a sandwich. It's made with whole wheat bread, lettuce, tomato, and cheese. Sandwiches are a common lunch item. Let's learn some new words: whole wheat bread and lettuce. Now you try. Perfect. Don't forget tomato and cheese. Great job. In this section, I have some carrot sticks and cucumber slices. They are crunchy and healthy snacks. Repeat after me. Carrot sticks and cucumber slices. Fantastic. Delicious. Now let's practice making a sentence. You can say, "I have carrot sticks in my tiffin." Your turn. Wonderful. You're doing so well. Lastly, we have a small container of yogurt. Yogurt is creamy and can be flavored with fruits like strawberries or blueberries. Let's say yogurt. Excellent. You can also say, "I have yogurt for dessert." Your turn. Fantastic. Now let's put it all together. Here's a sentence you can use. In my tiffin, I have an apple, a sandwich, carrot sticks, and yogurt. Try saying it with me. Great job, everyone. Now you've learned some new words and phrases that you can use to talk about your lunch. Remember, practicing English every day, even with simple things like describing your food, can help you become more fluent. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed exploring my tiffin with me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you have in your tiffin. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.